you. Now I want you. You see you. You. Not bad in English. Not bad in Spanish.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is ZeeTheBeauty here. First off, if you are not following me, please click that subscribe button as well as give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And today we are here with another BoxyCharm unboxing. And this actually came pretty early compared to last month, but I'm excited that it's here. And of course, you know, my unboxing videos, I technically already unboxed these items when I received them last night. But like I said last time, we're just gonna act like this is our first time together. This is how inside the box usually comes. And we got this little card that says everything that I received in this box. Also, I used some of the makeup that is in this box to help create this look on my face now. And I know last time I said I was gonna do a video, I think it's in my Sephora play, I said I created a video of that look that I was wearing. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link that video where I said that below. But the video that I wanted to upload actually is gone. Well, part of it is gone because if you didn't know, my camera that I only had for like a month, it broke. So I need to send it in. I'm actually slacking on that. I need to send it in for repair. And I was using, that day I did like 2 videos. So I used my phone to record, which I'm using right now, and my other phone to record my other video. So I've recorded the video that I uploaded, the Sephora Play video, with my personal phone, and then the second phone I did the makeup tutorial on, and that phone got water damage, so I lost part of my video. So I don't know if I'll be able to get it back, but if I do get that video back, I will post it as soon as possible, as well as I will try to do a makeup tutorial. I didn't record this look today. I figured it would take some time, and I'm gonna head out, but I wanted to make sure I did this unboxing with you guys. We got this. This is the Per Complexion Authority Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator, which retails at $17. With an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells and moisturize the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lips. I did use this today and I really like it. It's clear. It did exfoliate my lips and it had like a little tingling feeling, which I liked. Usually I wouldn't go for a lip plumper because I personally don't feel like I need one, but it does moisturize the lips and it is good to use before you apply your matte lipsticks or lippies on. So now the next thing I got was this 3-piece brush set, and I used it. I did use this big one and I really like this. It's super soft. This brush set is the Crown Pro Trio brush set, which retails for $29.99. Use this 3-piece brush trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. Now, what I really like is that it has a place for you to hold it easily, so it makes it easier for you. And I use this brush. I'm sorry, I don't know if you guys can see, but my dog is like right here and she's just being annoying. Come on. Come on, jump down. You can do it. You can do it, Sasha. Jump. Jump. But you can do it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yay. You did it. Everybody clap for her. Anyways, I used it today to wipe away my setting powder. Now the next thing I have, Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and it's a really pretty color. And this is what I'm using on my eyes today, on my lid. What I really like is that it goes on so smoothly and it can spread and it's glittery, but it dries down really quickly. So if you are using it, work fast. This Cover FX Shimmer Veil multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. I don't really know what else I would use it for. Maybe on my lips. Maybe it could be used as a highlight. Who knows? But yeah, moving on. Oh, I failed to tell you, I guess this month's theme is Galaxy Glow. Now the next thing I got was this eyeliner. And I have not used a pencil eyeliner in probably years. I got so used to like my liquid eyeliners that I just haven't gone back to this. But I used it today to do my eyeliner and I really liked it. It's really smooth and creamy and just goes on so well. But this is the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil. Jessica, and this retails for $21. And I forgot to say that the Shimmer Veil retails for $28. But anyway, back to this. Jessica's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. I love it. Would I spend $21 on an eye pencil though? $21 out of my direct pocket. That's a little pricey. But I do recommend it. It is nice. Moving on. From Ophir Cosmetics, a pop-up palette mini and a blush got it refill. By palette, I mean this magnetic palette. And as you can see inside is the blush that also they sent. The blush came in this thing and then I just popped it in here. It is a magnetic palette. I personally don't really have magnetic palettes. I don't usually like have pan sized stuff laying around, but now that I have this palette, I'll probably get it. And I love it's just a cute design. Now this pop-up palette mini provides a perfect home for any magnetic makeup gadget. No, it says gadget. Got it. Items can be continually tailored and rearranged according to personal preference. The unique design is lightweight and travel-friendly, yet securely holds the gadgets in place. Now the blush got it, I hope I'm saying this right, offers strong pigment with a long-lasting effect in a fabulous pressed powder blush. I am using the blush today. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on me, but I like the shade of the blush. It's not really like too bold or anything. You could build with it, and that could be a good thing too. When blush is so intense, you could just end up looking like a clown. I did like last month's box more. I got a concealer, I got a lipstick, and it was really great, but I really do appreciate this box as well because honestly, I wouldn't have picked up the lip pumper, this Shimmer Veil, probably, but I wouldn't pick up one for that price. I probably wouldn't have picked up this magnetic palette because I never think about it. And they also gave me this 20% off coupon from Cover FX. So the company that made the Shimmer Veil, actually now that I have this coupon, I will definitely buy something from them. That is it. I will be making more videos and I actually want to get another camera, so I want 2 cameras because that camera was small, so I want to have that on my Go camera, but I actually want to get another camera for recording my videos. But until then, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.
You giving them licks, cause you're